everyone, how all are you? I hope you all would be fit and fine and feeling enthusiastic in your way. So today is our 12th day of 21st day challenge, and here we'll discuss about the daily use sentences in English, and we also tells us about the daily routine of ours in English as well, by which you can learn the new things, new vocabulary from the video. So today I'm going to show you my room. It would be some interesting, and I hope that you would like this too. So let's just go ahead. So I had decorated my room because there's my cousin's wedding, as you all know. So I had to do some decoration and all. So let me tell you what are here. So this is my board. From here I used to talk to my children, and this is the flag of our India. I really like this very much. It's really very good. It always, the white color I really like most. It always tells us to be calm and quiet and live peacefully. And yeah, look at this logo of Satyamev Jayate. It only teaches to the true always wins. Satyamev Jayate. And it is taken from the Mundaka Upanishad, if we will talk about the Upanishada. Now this is our country's map, that the most beautiful and the loving able country, the India. India is my heartbeat. I really love my country very much, and I pasted here the outfit of the country. So we can see here, and the region of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh there. It's proper here. No POK is shown. It's our area. I really want that this area get combined into our area, into our motherland. It would be, and that day would be very grateful for everyone, for every Indian. And these are some notes. I had made these notes, I think 2 months ago, in November. This is the polity, the important articles. This is also the polity, the important articles. And yeah, this is the modern history. No, it's modern history, and it's also the part of modern history, because here it's the important movements of Gandhiji. And here some quotes and my bags. And look at this little girl. She really looks like me. Does she? No. She never looks like me. And this bag is gifted by my father, and this bag is brought by me. And there the stuffs, the books are placed here. And yeah, this is the ancient history, and this is the medieval history. Yeah, it's medieval history. And yeah, there's the quote which I have written here. तू थोड़ा सब्र कर ले, अभी इम्तिहान जारी है, एक वक्त वो भी आएगा जब समय कहेगा चल अब तेरी बारी है. And the some quotes which I have pasted in the November month. Study more and think less, because I used to think very much like about my past and all, and that's why I pasted all these things here. And today, and there, life is not a bed of roses. It's the most important quote of my life. It is spoken by someone which was very important in my life, and that person was really good. Now the thing I want to make me more practical, not emotional. So that's why I wrote there, be practical rather than emotional. So the meaning of rather is bajai, ke bajai. So that's why I have written here and pasted here. And look at this. It's the 7 horses. Everyone says that if we will put the photo frame of these horses, they would the God blessings would come into our home. That is it is by my father. My father is like that. He just always sees everything in a God ways. And yeah, here The code are these now. And now the Lakshmi goddess, because everyone wants Lakshmi. So I have put there this, and this is my cute younger one baby. That's my younger brother. And look at this, the card of my cousin, which I have told you I have to go. And look at here, Rohit Kushwaha and Neha Kushwaha. I just really get afraid of this name. Neha, Neha, Neha. Everyone, where would I see? Everyone. Neha, Neha, everywhere. Neha, Neha, Neha. I just get sick of this name. I don't want to be, to put this name anymore. And this is the bag which is carried by my father from Banaras. And it's really good. The peacock's feather are there, pink, violet and green. It's really good. I really like this. This is our system which is here, and these are the lotus which are prepared by my children's. Look at this. My children are very creative. Look at this boy. He's also studying because his exams are going, and these are some photographs of my family. Look at this, is my father and she is my mother, and look at this here, our whole family. Look at here how I'm looking here. It's me, it's my younger one, it's the eldest younger, and it's my mother, and it's the photograph, it is a picture or the drawing which is made by my younger one. It's very good. And it's my bed where I used to sleep alone, and it's the table where I used to do study. And yeah, this is the coat where my brother used to sleep at the night, and this is my almirah which is full of the books and all. Here you would find the books of polity, here you would find the books of history, here the geography, my favorite subject, and here you would find this file is of physics, and this is of maths, and this is of GK, everything. I have lots of books here. Let me show you one book which was here. I think it get misplaced. Yeah, this is my almirah, and here, oh, and here these are the books of my both brothers. Only this, and look at these. Oh my god, there's so much difference between my books and my both brothers' books. And this is my folder where I used to keep my documents, every documents and all. And here I have, in this book, I have prepared the notes of Khan sir. I really very much obliged to him. He is very inspirational person in my life. So this is the small room I have ever where I used to be. And yeah, look at this curtain. Isn't it good? It's my small room. I hope you really liked my room. And yeah, some of my friends and one of my subscriber, whose name I think Shire Ji, he or she, I don't know whether he or she he is boy or a girl. He said to teach the biology on board. And one of my friend whose name is Nidhi, she said to me to teach the NCRT from 6th to 12th. So I am a bit confused, and I am thinking about to make the videos on English. So I'm not confused on which topic I should make the video. So if you have any suggestion, you can give me the suggestion in the comment box. If I really like your suggestion, I would implement this in my videos as well. So yesterday there was nothing, and that was I shared everything to you. As usual, I went to my coaching, and after that I came back, and yeah, it's normal. And then I used to get sleep. Yeah, what happened in the night? I was laughing very much. I was really very much laughing. and my brother who just lie just besides me, next to me, he said, if this time you laugh, I will throw you outside the home. And still I was laughing, laughing. I don't know what happened to me. And yeah, the most important thing, one of my friend, I had told you that one of the girl whom I met in the auto, and she suddenly, and then gave me a treat of spring roll and chow mein, and then I had give her the treat of water balls. So she is really, I don't know what happened to her. She said today, "Ki I want to see you. I am missing you." I don't know what happened. By the way, she is sick, and today we'll meet at the Khajuri at 6:30. Let's see what happens. And she is really very good and nice girl. And look at this. I don't know how the people becomes my friend this much. We were just met only the first day, only one day, and we become this much best friend. Like is missing me, or she wants to see me more. I don't know. She also invited me to her home, and she also said me to join her what she is doing. She is doing the nursing, so she said to me, just join with me. We will come together, we'll go together, and we'll become friends more and more. Then I said, I will think, I will ask to my father and mother, then I would tell you that what is in the mind of them. So is it that's it for today's video. I hope you really liked my video, and if you like this, you can, as usual, you can share, subscribe, and comment as well. So, and I really hope that you are learning something from my video, and if you are learning, then it would be good. Then you would get be you would become very much you would you would become then the English speaker as me. So till then, bye bye.